Well, this is the offending piece, and it ain't going to focus on it. But there's the flare that was leaking. So we got ourselves another piece of nickel copper tubing. Got our bending tools ready. So I'm going to make another one. It's end of day video. We get a real late start today because my brother and I went to a dyno speed shop. He wanted to talk to him about dyno tuning his car. And we spent a little time there, and afterwards we went to Whitey's Fish Camp and got a nice lunch. And after that we went to NAPA and got the 1/4-inch brake line. So I got it, the new one, bent and installed. And yay, because this one doesn't leak. So there's no reason why we can't take this around the block for a test drive tomorrow. I'll probably bolt a seat into it. And let's see, I also got the gear shift lever installed. I checked all the electronics. Taillights work, brake lights work, turn signals work, hazards work. The overdrive solenoid works. So yeah, let's see if we can get this puppy on the road tomorrow. And I'm pretty sure that's it for today. Later.